Okay, so this next song is the song that about my favorite toys when I was young and all the sounds that they made. So I wanted to show you what I looked like when I was young. All right, you ready for it? Here it is. This is when I had hair, see?
Oh!
This is what I looked like when I was young, when I was your age. So, this is a song where I'd like you to say the sounds that my toys made. When I was young, I loved my toys because each one made a different noise. Here we go. I think you'll catch on how this goes. My Tweety birdie goes tweet, tweet, tweet. My quacky ducky goes quack, quack, quack. My croaky frog goes croak, croak, croak. My ba-ba lamb goes ba, ba, ba. My oinky piggy goes oink, oink, oink. My squeaky rubber ducky goes squeak, squeak, squeak. You have to squeak it. It's in my bathtub. My hooty owl goes hoot, hoot, hoot. My choo-choo train goes choo, choo, choo. My moo cow goes moo, moo, moo. And the rooster, of course, goes cock-a-doodle-doo. All right, let's do that again a little faster now. My Tweety birdie goes tweet, tweet, tweet. My quacky ducky goes quack, quack, quack. My croaky frog goes croak, croak, croak. My ba-ba lamb goes ba, ba, ba. My hooty owl goes hoot, hoot, hoot. My squeaky rubber ducky goes squeak, squeak, squeak. My oinky piggy goes oink, oink, oink. And the choo-choo train goes choo, choo, choo. And the moo-moo cow goes moo, moo, moo. And the rooster, of course, goes cock-a-doodle-doo. One more time. And the rooster, of course, goes cock-a-doodle-doo. There you go. Thank you.